Hello NSA student, this is Mr. Hinton with the Math Department. Just want to give you a brief explanation for one of our most frequently asked questions in week 19 of the geometry class. This problem is asking us to find the midpoint of the midsegment of this trapezoid, and it gives us the vertices of the 3 points that are not the origin. So we're given that point A is 4D, 4E, so the coordinates of point A are 4D, 4E. The coordinates of point B are 4F, 4E, and the coordinates of point C are 4G and 0. Alright, the midpoint of the midsegment is actually going to be the midsegment of the trapezoid is halfway up the height, so we're looking for right in the center of the midpoint of the midsegment. There's some difficult ways to do this. I think the easiest way to do this is what we're trying to find here is the center of this trapezoid. And the center of the trapezoid, the midpoint of the midsegment, is going to actually be the average of the coordinates of the 4 points. So what we do is our x-coordinate of our midpoint is going to be, add all the x-coordinates together, 4D plus 4F plus 4G, and again plus 0, but we don't need to show that. And to find the average of 4 points, you divide by 4. Okay, and then the third, to find the y-coordinate, you add 4E plus 4E Sorry, I'm having a little issues with the iPad here. And again, the other two y-coordinates are both 0, so no reason to add those. So 4E plus 4E, and again we're going to divide that by 4 because we're finding the average of the two things. Okay, so when you add these three things together for the x-coordinate, you can't add those because they're not like terms, but because all terms in the coordinate are divisible by 4, you can divide the 4 into each term of the numerator, and you're just left with D plus F plus G. And then the y-coordinate is 4E plus 4E, which is 8E, and 8E over 4 is 2E. So that is the midpoint of the midsegment. It's the average of the coordinates of the points.